In today's video, I'm going to solve the third question in the 2014 paper of mathematics, and the question is 43.102 plus 2.784 plus 4.110 equals. So this is the question I'm going to solve, so stay tuned. Just like in the previous questions where we are dealing with addition, we are going to take note of the things we need to consider as we add. So when you adding decimal numbers, there is only one point which I will talk about, that is we didn't talk about last time we were discussing about addition of numbers. Now this time we're dealing with adding of decimal numbers. So the first note you have to take is it is easier to add in vertical form. Just like the previous lessons we had talked about using vertical form as the way of adding. It is easier to add in vertical form. Even though the question has been given it's in horizontal form, please take time and change it into vertical form. That is the easiest way you can add. Otherwise you get confused if you don't add in vertical form. The second point is when writing the second number, always start with the ones. So when you are writing the second figure which you have been given, always starts with the ones. But in case like we are adding the decimal numbers, yes, you should consider the ones, but you also consider the decimal places. So that leads to the third point, which is make sure the ones are under ones. So you do the same. I talked about this the previous video and the other video. So you make sure that the ones are under ones and the tens are under tens. The decimal point should be in straight line. This point I didn't talk about it in the previous video because we were not adding decimal numbers. Now since we're adding the decimal numbers, we are saying the decimal point should be in a straight line going down. They should be in a straight line. They should be all in one line. This will ensure that you don't make mistake, you don't mix up numbers whereby you add ones and the tenth. So you make sure the decimal point is the decimal points are in straight line going downwards. 5. We talked about this point in previous videos. Start adding from ones from the right or from the right to the left. So in decimal numbers, they are starting with the thousandth. So you start from the right going to the left as you add. The number you carry over, put it on top of the top next number to add. So the number you carry over, after adding, you find the answer, maybe it's 10. The number you carry over, you put it on the next number, on top of the next number you want to add. So these are just the recaps of the hints you need to consider when adding. So we go to the actual working out. So 43.102 has been written. So when you are writing the second number, you need to make sure that the decimal points are in a straight line. So here, so the decimal points, as you can see there, they have been put in a straight line. So you need to put the decimal points in a straight line. In this way, you're going to find that it will be easier for you to add the tenth, the hundredth, the thousandths. They will be adding each other. There will be no situation like you add the thousandths with the tenth, no, or the hundredth. It will be easier. So make sure your guide will be the decimal point to see if you have arranged the numbers correctly. Let me just write, I saw the 4 wasn't clear there. Let me put them properly. I'm sure now they are properly put. Then the same thing happens to the third number. So the decimal point should be in a straight line, as you can see. So let me just put the lines. Okay. Okay, let me put the plus sign. Okay, so now I have put the operation sign, which is the plus sign. So we are saying 2 plus 4 plus 0, that is 6. 2 plus 4 plus 0 is equal to 6. So we will write 6 there. As you can see, I've written 6 there. What is the sum of 0 plus 8 plus 1? 0 plus 8 plus 1, what is the sum? Okay, let's hope you have got the answer. So we are saying 0 plus 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Okay, then we come to the next column. 1 plus 7 plus 1. 1 plus 7, what is the answer you have got? Okay, the correct answer is 9. So the correct answer is 9. Then the next thing we have to do is now let's put the point. We put the decimal point now. Let's put the decimal point. This is so because it may not confuse us. If we just add and then we put the point at the end, some people can get confused. Now, since we have reached at the point, let's just put the point, the decimal point. So we have put the decimal point there. So now we have put the decimal point. We are saying 3 plus 2 plus 4. What is the answer? 3 plus 2 plus 4. The answer is 9. So the correct answer is 9. So we have written 9 there. Then we have remained with 4. So we are just saying 4 plus 0 plus 0. What is the correct answer? The correct answer is 4. So now we have gotten the answer. We have added everything. Let's check on the answers which were given. What are the correct answer? What is the correct answer on those 4 options? So the correct answer is B. B was the correct answer. The answer is 49.996. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel so that I keep on teaching you on how to handle questions in an examination and also to teach you